Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are someone that moves files and folders around, and especially when they're really, really big folders with, hundreds or thousands of files or really big files, a lot of people simply use the File Explorer. They just, drag and drop or copy wherever they want, but it is not the most reliable on some really big folders. Sometimes File Explorer can crash when there's too many files, or it's a known issue for years and years and years that it's not 100% reliable all the time. It works great for small tasks, stuff like that, but when you get to the heavy stuff, there's something in Windows that is actually more reliable and faster in many cases. And it's actually a command that you can type in your command prompt. So what you could do is bring up the command prompt and run it as an administrator. And here you can type, if you want to know how it works, Robocopy. And here I'll put / and a question mark, which will give you all the details of how it works. So it gives you all the parameters, how it works. It's like a good old copy in DOS. If you guys remember the copy command in DOS, where you could copy from, source to, you have to give it the source and the destination. It is in a similar way, the copy command, but it is actually a much better version of it, and it is much more reliable, and it has a lot of options. So for those that didn't know it existed and are okay with command lines and learning how to use them, it is definitely a very complete way of copying files. You can even copy files with security. You can have, files being duplicated to, keep another copy of it. All sorts of things can be done with this Robocopy. It's actually, the name that they give is robust file copy for Windows. So robust file copy for Windows. But the command is Robocopy. And so you just follow, the path and follow the way it works. Hey, if you have really, really big folders to transfer from one drive to another, for example, this is the way to go. It's faster and more reliable than File Explorer most of the time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.